Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Begin by opening Bing or your Microsoft account security page and choose the verification option. You're doing this to confirm your identity before changes. Once selected, pick the delivery method, text to your phone or email, so you get the code where you can access it immediately. Make sure the chosen phone or email matches the one on file. If it doesn't, pause and update recovery info, because sending to an outdated contact will block progress. Now request the code and watch for delivery. You'll receive a short numeric string by SMS, email, or authenticator prompt. Check your inbox, spam, and promotions folders for email, and confirm your phone has Signal and the right country code for texts. If using an authenticator app, open it and copy the one-time value. Once the code arrives, avoid delays. These codes usually expire quickly, so copy or type it promptly to continue. If nothing appears, use resend after a brief wait. Enter the code exactly as received, paying attention to similar characters. Accuracy matters because a few wrong digits locks the attempt. If it times out or never arrives, request resend or choose an alternate verification method like email or an authenticator app. Make sure to clear your browser cache or try another device or network if the page isn't accepting codes. One key troubleshooting tip: check for carrier delays and try restarting your phone. Often a quick reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.